Just because you put in the Kafka doesn't make it like, oh, I'm going to immediately land it into a metadata store just by adding the Kafka.
Yeah.
Remember, you still need to pull from a Kafka producer, push into Kafka, your consumer needs to read and put into one. And here is where the beauty of OpenMetadata comes into play. It is built on metadata APIs and SDKs. The
Mm.
world, the world of internet runs on APIs and SDKs. You don't think twice when Uber, if you open, again, taking the example of Uber, it can't get more real time than ordering a taxi and someone actually telling you that the taxi's ride is accepted. The driver is coming to you in the real time
Yeah.
where their location and your location, right?
Yeah.
So all of that is enabled through APIs.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
APIs are the foundational pieces of that. That's what you're built on metadata APIs and SDKs. It's very well thought out. It's very well documented APIs and SDKs. Now, in the world of going back to our use case, I want metadata to be real time. Use our APIs and SDKs, publish it. That's what we do. For example, in Airflow, we can get a notification when the pipeline is getting run, how long it ran, what actually is changing in the tables. We get a real-time notification as the tag is running, as your workflow is running. Same thing with your create tables and everything else, right? So if someone is creating a table, there has to be CI/CD mechanism. You can embed a open metadata client and publish it.
Yeah.
And there is no real time then APIs and SDKs. I want our audience to understand just by publishing to Kafka, you're just adding another hub and another complex architecture component that you have to maintain, someone has to maintain instead of using an APIs and SDKs. And all of these APIs always gives you a clear, ideal error code, right?